Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn off calls notifications on X, Twitter, on your Android device. If you're tired of getting constant notifications from Twitter, follow these simple steps to disable them. First, go to Settings on your Android device. This can usually be found in the app drawer, or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, tap on Notifications in the Settings menu. This is where you can customize which apps can send you notifications. Scroll down until you find X, Twitter, in the list of apps and tap on it. This will open up the notification settings for Twitter specifically. Finally, toggle off the switch next to Show Notifications. This will disable all notifications from Twitter, including calls notifications. And that's it. You have successfully turned off calls notifications on X, Twitter, on your Android device. Enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience without constant interruptions. Thanks for watching.